Alt-R.
Hey everybody, this is Jordana Ingebretson. I'm a teacher working with Dr. Denise Robinson on Tech Vision, and today we're going to talk about Spanish. Spanish with JAWS and Spanish with the Focus 40. There are several settings that you need to make sure that you have it in your computer to make this computer, the screen reader, read Spanish efficiently. First, I need to make sure that you have the Spanish voices of JAWS, and to do that, we're going to go to the JAWS window to show you how to do
Windows
it.
M, desktop, folder view, list view, JAWS, enter. JAWS context menu, O, option submenu.
Here, the JAWS window, go to Options.
Exit, option submenu, O, enter. Basics,
Go to
V.
Voices.
Voices submenu, V. Enter. Voice adjustment, V.
Then you have three options here. You have Voice Adjustment.
Select the voice profile,
Select
S.
a voice profile.
Add/remove voices, A.
Add/remove voices. That's where you want to go. Let's enter there.
Enter. Leaving menus. Folder view. List view. JAWS 2020. 5 of 29. Add/remove vocalizer expressive voices. Select the language. Combo box.
It's very, very easy to do. You open the combo box with all down arrow.
Open list box. English 13 of 40.
Then we're going to look for the Spanish. S for Spanish.
S. Slovakian 32S. Spanish 33 of 40.
The Spanish, we're going to press enter there.
Enter. Select the language. Combo box. Spanish L.
Tapped, you're going to give you the different options for that language.
Premium voices. Multi-select list box. Not selected. Angelica. Spanish Latin American 1 of 10.
There's about 10 options. I told my Spanish students that it's really important if they have at least 2 Spanish voices, one of a male, one of a female. And the reason is because sometimes it's easier to understand a male voice. Sometimes it's easier to understand a female voice. You need to have those options. Let's see the options that we have here.
Not selected. Carlos. Spanish Colombian. Already installed. 2.
Carlos, that's one of my favorite voices in Spanish. He reads really good. He has a good pronunciation.
Not selected. Diego. Spanish Argentinian.
I don't have
3
Diego
of 10.
for Argentina.
Not selected. Francisca. Spanish
I
Chilean.
have
Already
Francisca.
installed.
I
4 of
really
10.
like her. I'm going to select that.
Space. Francisca. Spanish play sample button. P.
And I'm going to play sample that way you can see and hear Francisca speaking Spanish.
Space.
Soy Francisca, una voz para español de Chile que puede utilizarse con productos de Freedom Scientific tales como JAWS.
Very good. She does a really good job. Now, if you keep tabbing,
Install selected voices button.
you can install the select voices. I already have it installed.
Additional options. Remove a voice button. R.
You know, additional options. I mean, we're going to get out of there because I don't need to do any of that. You can install it.
Escape. Malwarebytes tray application.
Once that you install it, it's going to go directly to your voice adjustment. And from there, you can do the create a voice profile. Let's go to Word now.
Meeting controls. Zoom. Document 1 word.
Okay, here we need to figure out some settings that we need to change for JAWS to be able to do a good work in Spanish. First, you're going to go to the JAWS Settings Center with JAWS M6 in the number row.
Word JAWS settings center dialog. Search box edit. Control plus E. Computer
Yep,
braille.
then you're going to put language.
Language. Language.
Down arrow.
7 search results list box. Detect keyboard language checked. General text processing.
Usually you don't have it checked, but I wanted you to check the keyboard language. It's very important because then when you are in a class and you're doing English and suddenly you are doing Spanish and then you read it, JAWS already is going to read it, and I'm going to demonstrate that. The next thing I want to make sure that you have is that the OCR primary language is going to be English, secondary language is going to be Spanish. Let's check that out.
Language processing. Text. Detect language based on markup of. When detect language based on text number. Language Spanish Spain International. Primary recognition language English United States. Convenient OCR. Secondary recognition language Spanish. Convenient OCR.
Yep, that's what we have. Let's get out of there.
Escape. Search edit box cleared. 3 view. Level 0. User closed. 1 escape. Document 1 word. Edit.
Okay, the other thing that I wanted you to do with Word is to go to the proofing language. That way, when you do a spell checking, you can choose to spell check it in Spanish too. To do that, you're going to do Alt-R-U-L. Alt-R.
Alt-R. Upper ribbon. Review tab.
U.
View menu. Leaving menus. Set
L.
group L. Leaving menus. Leaving ribbons. Mark selected text as list box. English United States. 1 of 263.
There's 263, but then I wanted you to find Spanish and check it, and then that way that is an option for Word. I have it already checked.
French Belgium 2 of
I have
263.
French.
Spanish Ecuador 3 of 263.
Those are the 3 things on the top.
Afrikaans 4 of
Then you
263.
start with the African and all the different language. Get out of there. You do that. Make sure that you check that, and then you have it as an option there.
Escape. Edit.
Okay, now let's do some English and some Spanish, and you see how JAWS changes automatically. Let's do I'm going to put
I.
I.
S-P-E-A-K, speak.
Speak Spanish.
S-P-A-N-I-S-H, Spanish. A-N-D-N.
And love.
L-O-V-E, love. T-O-2-T-E-A-C-H, teach.
Teach.
I-T, it, period, space. Enter.
This is what I
I
said.
speak Spanish and love to teach it.
Very good.
Bottom of file, blank.
Now I'm going to say it in English.
Y.
In Spanish, I'm
O,
sorry.
yo, H-A-B-L-O, habo. E-S-P-A.
I'm going to do the character. Insert a number 4.
Select a symbol to print dialog. List N until 28 of print view. O-L. Al. Y. M-E. Me.
E-me.
N-C-A-N-T-A. Encanta. E-N-S-E.
N-S-E. I'm going to do again the ñ with just key number 4.
Select a symbol to print dialog.
N.
List N until 28 of print view. O. O-A-R-L-O. Arlo, period, space. Punto. Enseñar me encanta.
Okay, listen what is
I
happening.
speak Spanish and love to teach it.
And now I do immediately go to the next line.
Yo hablo español y me encanta enseñarlo.
Okay, right away it did it. I didn't have to do anything because JAWS already can detect that. The next thing that we're going to change, the next setting actually is a setting that you have to change back and forth when you're working with the Focus 40 in English and Spanish. Right now, the Focus 40 is reading, I'm reading it right now, it's all in English, and it will not change to Spanish. We have to do it for the focus. Let's do that right now. You're gonna do insert a number 6 in a number row.
Word window classes dialog. New class edit. Double escape. Document one
That's
word. Edit.
a mistake of mine because I did insert 7.
Word JAWS settings center dialog. Search box edit. Control plus E.
Now I'm gonna type translation.
T-R-A-N-S-L-A-T-I-O-N. Translation.
Go down.
One search results list box. Translation open. General Braille.
Jump there with the function key 6.
General page. Translation language combo box. Spanish Spain International sort. 46 of 52. Alt plus A.
Yep, I did. I'm gonna press Spanish. Sorry, because I already had it there.
Doc 3.00 inches.
Now
Escape.
we have a Spanish.
I speak Spanish and love. Yo hablo español. Yo hablo español. Enter.
Right now, I'm gonna go enter my Focus 40. I'm gonna enter the characters in Spanish in Focus 40. Let's think about a word that has an accent mark. Let's think about mama. M-A-M-A-Q. It will go M-A-M. The A-Q sign is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.
A-acute. Mammoth.
E.
Y. Y.
Papa. P-A-P-A-Q.
P-A-P. A-acute. Papa.
Estan. E-S-T-A-N.
E-S-T.
A-acute.
A-acute. N. Essen.
Comiendo. C-O-M-I-E-N. Do eating.
C-O-M-I-E-N-D-O. Comiendo.
Okay, that means I'm doing it in Spanish. But let's say that I'm done with Spanish and now I have to change it to English. Okay, let's change it back and forth. We're gonna do right now, again, insert N6.
Word JAWS settings center dialog. Search box edit. Control plus
We're gonna type translation.
T-R-A-N-S-L-A-T-I-O-N. Translation.
Go down.
One search results list box. Translation open. General Braille.
Go F6 to jump there.
General page. Translation language combo box. Spanish Spain International sort. 46 of 52.
We're gonna do English. Let's do E.
E. English United Kingdom. 14 of 52. E. English United States. 15
English
of 52.
United States. I wanna make sure that the settings for English United States are good. Tab.
Translation output combo box. U.S. English grade 1. 2 of 5.
No, that's not you want. You want Unified English grade 2.
U.S. Unified English Braille grade. Unified English Braille grade. Translation input combo box. Unified English Braille grade 2. 2 of 2.
Yep,
Alt plus I.
that's what you want, and then you press enter.
Translation language combo box. English and enter. Document one word. Edit.
Okay, now between the Focus 40 and the computer, they're gonna you can have the contraction of the translation in English. Let's do one more time that we're gonna do it in Spanish. Okay, then we're gonna do again. You're gonna go just and 6 in the number row.
Word JAWS settings center dialog. Search box edit. Control
Translation.
R-A-N-S-L-A-T-I-O-N.
Down arrow
Translation.
key.
One search results list box. Translation open. General
F6
General
jump
page.
there.
Translation language combo box. English United States. 15 of 52.
Now you're gonna
Alt plus
do
A.
S.
S. Sanskrit India. S. Serbian Serb. S. Slovak. S. Slovenian. S. Spanish Spain International sort. 46 of 52.
Yep, that's what you want. I know the settings. I don't have to worry about
Enter.
it.
Document one word. Edit.
Now again, I'm with my Focus 40. I'm gonna put the word años. That means year. The ñ in Braille is 1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
Any.
O-S.
Años.
Años. Very good. I hope that this is very helpful for you. If you have any questions, make sure that you let TechVision know. It's going to be very nice for you to be able to study Spanish, to read Spanish, and to read Spanish. Thank you.
Task switching. Zoom. Start meeting button unavailable. Alt-E. Alt-R. Not recording. Alt-Q. Document one word. Meeting controls. Meeting control Q. End meeting or leave meeting. End meeting for all bus.